Hi, in this video, we'll see how to create reports in your application. By clicking the Reporting tab, you can generate reporting on all or part of the initiatives in your platform. At the top of the page, you can add filters to define the scope of your report. The Reports to be Included section allows you to select the components to include in the report. Once your selection is complete, click Run Report. Each section of your report is dynamic. You can click on the results to access the corresponding initiatives. By clicking Report Settings, you can modify the filters or the components included in your report. The Export button at the top right of the page allows you to export your report in different formats, such as CSV, text, or PDF. You can save your report settings to run it again later with a single click. To do this, create a shortcut by clicking Custom Report, New Shortcut, or more simply by clicking directly on the Save button. Give your shortcut a name, then click Save. From the Reporting tab, you'll find your shortcut in the drop-down list that appears when you click Shortcuts. By selecting it, you can access the report again with updated results. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.